Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a fund on Everydollar. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. You can delete it just like a regular budgeting line item. So what you're going to be doing, guys, if you're doing this on a computer, you're going to basically come ahead and click on the fund name. Okay, and what's going to happen, guys, when you click on the name is a trash icon will appear to the left of the fund name. You just want to click on the trash can icon, and then a window will open up, and then you want to click on delete, and this will basically delete the fund. And if you're on the app, what you're gonna do, guys, is you want to tap on the fund name. Okay, then a page will show up opening up the fund details. So what you're gonna do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, okay, of the funded details page. Tap on delete a budget item in red right here. Tap on this, and then you get this prompt that will ask you, are you sure that you want to delete, Christmas, which is basically the fund name, and you just want to come in and tap on delete. All you can also do is you can swipe left on the fund icon, on the mobile app. So you just swipe left on the fund item to actually delete the item. So it's that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequency Ask Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.